meatballs.
And lots of love for the holidays.
I am Adam from Babbage, Brooklyn, and
I'm Joshi, coming from South Bronx.
yeah, we're here getting meatballs for Mob Wives.
Hi, honey.
My favorite Mob Wives will be Drita, Big Ange, Renee, basically everyone. Like, I love you guys. You guys are amazing.
Turkish got balls? You want to get you? How much money you got? AJ! Better when you have two balls, but hey.
I'm Karen.
And I'm Renee.
We're Mob Wives.
We're VH1 Mob Wives.
Trust no one.
I got those on. You got a hair in your face.
Better off.
You got hairy balls. Sorry. And the realest bitch is back. Yay, I'm back this season, so
Yes.
stay tuned because we're bringing the drama.